Should a container be cleaned immediately before filling? What method would I use to clean the container? We will answer those questions along with many more during this lesson. Most products come in single-use containers that are cleaned prior to arriving on the line. But even so, it is a good idea to clean the container before filling to remove any debris that may have entered the container during shipping. There is always the possibility of dust or some other type of contamination finding its way into the container. There are two primary methods of cleaning: rinsing with compressed air or water. Let's look at each of these in more detail. Cleaning with compressed air is efficient because it does not require a drying process. Compressed air must be properly generated and filtered to prevent further contamination. Orienters can have a blower built in the rinser to prevent this problem, but it is best to filter the air first since the blower can still transfer contamination from the room into the container. The air that is used for rinsing must be ionized. Static electricity tends to build up in containers, making it hard to dislodge the particles. The ionization causes a charge in the air that neutralizes the charge on the bottle, making it easier for particles to dislodge. A vacuum is then used to suck up the contamination blown out of the container. If the bottles are oriented with the neck down, it is possible to have the air blowing at the bottle orienter.